Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify criminal records with BeenVerified step by step clearly. To verify criminal records using BeenVerified, start by visiting the BeenVerified website. Create an account if you do not have one. Select the search option available on the home page. Enter the individual's name you wish to research. Include additional details, such as location or age, to narrow down your search. Click on the search button to initiate the process. Wait for the system to gather relevant data. Once the results appear, review the list carefully. Select the individual you are interested in for more detailed information. Explore the available reports related to criminal records. Take note of any charges, convictions, or other relevant details. If you require comprehensive access, consider purchasing a membership. Follow the prompts to complete your purchase if needed. Review the terms and conditions provided by BeenVerified. After payment, you will gain full access to the records. Use the information responsibly and ensure it complies with local laws. That completes the process of verifying criminal records with BeenVerified. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.